Done it. 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 Look what came in the mail today. Done it. Done it. Done it. Done it. Done it. I'm gonna turn this house to a Thanksgiving haven. I'm gonna be a Thanksgiving fairy, sending out Thanksgiving goodies all throughout the day, and I can't wait. Bye. Happy Halloween! It's very sunny. It's my early today, but I'm on lunch and I'm gonna go to the library real quick. And it's my early, so I'm gonna go home and see the trick-or-treaters and see what this country has to offer me on Halloween. I've heard that there's not many trick-or-treaters, but one shall see. Yay! I am a football fairy, by the way. I have a tutu on. Ah!
In my scarecrow dreams, when they smash my heart into smithereens, be a bright red rose, come bursting the concrete, be a cartoon heart.
Ooh!
Fire burn and cauldron bubble around about the cauldron.
Hell yeah!
The boys in a trail throw.
We'll be glowing in the dark.
Saturday morning. What? Let me fix this. Anyway, yesterday was obviously Halloween-y. So I got out of work early since it was my early. I sat by the door and waited. And guess how many trick-or-treaters I got? None! I'm so sad. I love trick-or-treaters. My house in America barely got any trick-or-treaters as well. So I told Tom's mom, I was like, when I start to look for a place, the first thing I'm going to tell the real estate agent, if I get one, is that it needs to be a prime location for trick-or-treating. I hate it. And the footage I took last night was from one of Tom's friend's house. Oh my gosh, they do such a good job. And I met his family last night and everything. They were so sweet and so nice. And they were like, oh, I loved it. Anyway, lots to do today. We're going to an Oxford United match since Tom coaches at their academy. Because he's a big boy and he's so good. I'm so proud of him. We're going to watch, he coaches the babies, not the babies, the boys. And we're going to go watch the men. So that should be fun. And then tonight is Bonfire night. Well, I think November the 5th is Bonfire day or night. But the place I lived in, their bonfire is tonight. So yeah. Remember the 5th of November. So it's really a bizarre concept, and I love learning new things about England and their culture and whatever. So tonight, there's a Guy Fawkes, I think was his name, attempted to put Buckingham Palace aflame. Like, he put gunpowder and ammunition is probably or explosives is probably the right word. Tried to put it under Buckingham Palace, and obviously he was caught. And so now, on the day that he tried to do that, I think, or the day that they maybe killed him or something, they throw, like, Tom told me they did this in school, they throw mini, like, voodoo-type dolls of Guy Fawkes into the fire. Like, kids, how crazy is that? I think that's so morbid, but I love it. It's so funny. So yeah, that's tonight. We'll go to a big fire in the middle of town and get all cozy and warm with his friends, and there's fireworks as well, which I think is so cool. So it's kind of like the 4th of July type, same concept as in the States, because in the States, the towns start doing fireworks different days so they don't, like, clash or whatever. And here, they do the same thing. So yeah, I'm excited for today. It should be a good day. Woo, woo. Time to blast one day. Ooh, ooh. Hey! Oh my god.
All this time she was standing there, she never
that sound. Oh, this is so sick.
to set me free. I saw the lights go. I saw the lights go down and standing in front of me.
Six, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ooh, what's this? Wow. Hey, it's Sunday morning. Bonfire was so cool. The fireworks were so sweet. It went along with like the music. The theme was like Saturday at the movies or something. And you know, the expected last week. And then afterwards went to a friend's house for a Halloween party. And it was so sweet. It was fun, lots of fun. Friends are cute. They're cute. So yeah, Tom's away at a football match. And I am just gonna be a lazy bum all day. And it's like almost 11 in the morning. I never wake up this late. I feel like a lazy bum, which I'm just gonna be all day, so whatever. But I've been sick all week, so I think my body just needed to rest. Probably shouldn't have drank as much as I did last night if my body was sick, but whatever. Anyways, have a good week. I'll see you guys soon. And I love you all very much. And I miss you all very much. And I love you. And I go bye bye bye.